Okay, so this is Chunxi Road Station, and it's a Sunday. It's the daytime, so I was here last night in the evening, but we're gonna walk around now in the crazy time when it's super loud. Chunxi Road in Chengdu.
Chengdu, I wanna see Chengdu. I really wanna see Chengdu, Chengdu. Oh yeah, go to
Chengdu, China. So I'm going to be doing a little bit of music so you get a preview of this area, which is the main walking street in Chengdu. And then I'm going to do a walk and talk. So it'll be about almost 2 minutes with a video, and then about 15 minutes where I just kind of like go through with the camera and you can hear me talk about it. Chengdu, China. Let's get into it. Yeah. Oh, and one other thing. Go down below. This is video number, I'm like almost 2/3 of the way through of putting up different Chengdu videos. So all of those will be down below so you can see the links, and subscribe because I got I think another 4 or 5 more to upload as well. And I'll be doing one every 5 days. Chengdu. Okay, so let's kind of go in here. Ooh, speakers right there. So let's just see what it says. So, okay. A little bit of information. And we're gonna just meander, see what we can see. It's way crowded, more crowded than yesterday. So I'm just gonna meander right into wherever I see the most people, which seem to be this direction. Okay. Okay. Lots of kind of panda stuff everywhere. Hello. Nice to meet you too. See how people are really friendly. Okay. Looks like we got a giant crowd over here, so let's see what they're looking at. Oh, okay. This is I think they're taking pictures of the panda. But that's kind of cool though.
Hello.
So you got the giant panda.
Do you want to take some photos?
Sure. Yeah.
I
Take a photo of me?
I can help you, but you need to pay some.
Oh no, it's okay. I got a camera right here,
Okay.
so I'm already good.
Handsome boy.
Thank you. All right. So yeah, I'm gonna capture the whole scene. So,
The panda.
the famous panda. All right. Thank you.
Thank you. Have a good day.
You too. Thank you. So we're gonna keep on walking by, and I guess everybody's filming the panda right there. So we're going to meander. We're just gonna meander, basically. It's kind of funny that he would come up to me and want to take a picture and have me pay him because I have a camera already, you know. So I think this is one direction that we could go into, of course. And that's a panda down there. I kind of want to go towards Taikoo because Taikoo is let me see which way that would be. I guess we're gonna go towards I don't know which way Taikoo is yet. Could be down that way. We're just gonna basically just go towards where all the people are at. So I think I'm gonna go this way. It is so much more crowded than yesterday.
一网金后，极顺吸收，轻盈如露，不闷倒，经典的金盏花精粹，复配3层玫瑰，7天7。
Yesterday I was walking around, but it wasn't like this. And I'm trying to find this Taikoo area. And it has big signs everywhere, so that's gonna be my destination. Then I'm gonna film over there because that area is very interesting as well. Because that one is, there's a bunch of photographers that film. Okay, I think it could be down. Could be down to the left or to the right here. So there's one direction down that way. Cheek Park. I think that's going to be the opposite way. So what we're going to do, I think, is go down the other way. There's a panda down that direction, and I think that Taikoo is going to be down at the end of this street. So we're going to walk down that way and try to capture as much as we can. Ah, it's really crowded today. Oh, that looks cool. Okay. Actually, that direction looks really crowded as well. So we're gonna go all the way down. What makes Taikoo interesting is that Taikoo is kind of a big mall complex, and there's also this area where I saw yesterday where girls walk by that look a certain way, and I don't know, I need to find out why they're choosing certain ones. And then there's like a ton of photographers that will capture them on camera. And I don't know, you know, when I was there, I don't really know why they choose who they choose. But maybe we'll observe a little bit down that way as well. And I think it's all the way down Taikoo. Yeah, today's Sunday. Last night it was like more lit up, so it was easy to see. So Chunxi Road Station. So there's a train that we came out of. I think there might be a bunch of different entrances. Oh, right here. I think that's the entrance to the metro right there. So that's the metro station. It's not so clear, the entrance, but it says metro there. It's pretty windy today. And we got another giant panda, so there's going to be a lot of people filming over this way too. Good to see. We're going to walk down a little ways. Just gonna walk. Now we can kind of capture that. We're gonna walk all the way down. And I think this will turn into a panda at times. Let's go down this way. Got little Bo Peeps there. 2 of them. And we're gonna go all the way down. Hello. So we're gonna go all the way down. And I think we're gonna be able to capture, they're taking pictures of that tall building over there, I think. A lot of people taking pictures here. So Taikoo is straight ahead, and we got some nice crowds. So I'm gonna walk right into Taikoo, straight ahead, and then I'm gonna come to an ending for this one. And we're just gonna see if those photographers are there. So we'll capture them a little bit in this one, and then we'll do its own Taikoo where we try to capture them. Got a green light, you got 7 seconds to get across. So let's just get across here. Okay. So this is this Taikoo station. So we're gonna go all the way down there in a moment. But a lot of people are filming this corner because there's a big giant panda. So that's the Chunxi road that we were at. And we're gonna go into Taikoo. And as we go down, if you see these photographers, we're gonna look for them as they go. So it's kind of like a fashion street. I think I see some now. Huh, so why isn't this one not getting photos? So I don't know how they choose who they choose. But we're gonna walk all the way down. So they're capturing all the fashion. So they got their cameras ready, and I'm gonna do a separate video. We'll capture that in a moment. But this is a little mall, outdoor mall area called Taikoo. And actually I'm kind of following the crowd, which is something I don't generally like to do. So let me go over to the left so I can. So we saw those photographers. I'm going to do a separate video where I just try to capture them. So they'll capture like fashion scenes of the streets. But anyways, this is Taikoo. And we started at Chunxi Road. And we're gonna end this one for Chunxi, which was way up there. And I wish we could see some of the photographers, but anyways, nonetheless, we're gonna end this video. And this is the entrance to Taikoo, and Chunxi is straight away. So Chengdu.